Guys, never underestimate yourself. Never think that you are not capable of doing things in a different way other than going to earn by having a job. Never underestimate yourself. If you want to earn from your home and you feel like doing digital marketing or being an affiliate is rocket science, it's not rocket science becoming a digital marketer or an affiliate marketer and earn 100% each and every time to achieve your goals and your dreams. You don't need any experience, no degree needed. You don't need to be of a certain age. It's never too late to start. You don't need any experience. All your training is provided for you and to you. So if you want to earn from the comfort of your home, be an affiliate or be a digital marketer, you can get a high in demand program that is teaching you how to run a successful business from the comfort of your home. You are being taught how to earn from your home, to work a 2 hour workday. You are being taught how to have multiple income streams. And you don't even need any technical skills or you don't need any experience. You don't need that degrees and stuff like that. You just need to be coachable and you need to be consistent. So if you can follow a step-by-step blueprint, then you are good to go. If you are ready to start your online journey or just be at home mom, drop me a ready and I'll send you all the information.